Hello everyone, welcome back to Prithwin's vlogs. Today we are taking you along on a little family day. We first had a quick visit to South Cham Hospital in Ajman, and after coming back home, I am going to prepare one of our family's new favorite recipe, a delicious chicken palak curry. Let's get started. We have now reached South Cham Hospital in Ajman. The kids and my husband are walking towards the hospital, and we are enjoying this little family outing together. The hospital looked clean, spacious, and beautiful from the outside. Now we are going inside. Look at this beautiful miniature city display. The tiny buildings, roads, cars, and street lights were so interesting for the kids to watch. They really enjoyed observing all the little details. After a visit, we came back home, and now it's time to cook something delicious. First, I'm adding the fresh palak into boiling water. After a few minutes, I'm removing it and immediately transferring it into a cold water with a few ice cubes. This simple step helps the palak keep its beautiful bright green color. Now, I'm heating a pan and adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm adding the chopped onions and frying them until they become soft and slightly golden. While the onions are cooking, I am blending the cooled palak into a smooth puree. Now the onions are ready. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and sauteing it until the raw smell disappears. Next, I'm adding the chopped tomatoes and cooking them until they become soft and mushy. Now it's time to add all the flavors. I am adding salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix everything well and cook the masala until it becomes aromatic. Now I'm adding 1 kg of chicken pieces. Give everything a nice mix so every piece of chicken gets coated beautifully with all the masalas. Cook the chicken until it is nicely cooked. Now comes the star ingredient. I am pouring in the smooth palak puri. Look at this beautiful vibrant green color. I am also adding 1 glass of water using the blender jar so none of the flavor goes to waste. Mix everything together and let it cook until it starts bubbling. Finally, I am adding half a teaspoon of garam masala for extra flavor. Give it one final mix and let it boil for another minute. And that's it. Our delicious chicken palak curry is ready. Look at this rich color. It smells absolutely amazing. Today, we enjoy this with boiled rice and dosas. And honestly, everybody loved it. If you would like to try this delicious chicken palak curry at home, the detailed recipe with all the ingredients and measurements is available in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Prithwin's vlogs. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.